Hi, this is Stefan. Today I want to show you the background and how you can use the effect background function to have a reference picture. So you open a file with your preferred art. I will use this nice picture by Hiroshi Nagai, and as you see, it's load. It's not a conversion, it's do not load as a ready picture, it's a background layer. If I draw something on top of it, I can erase with the right button, or if I hit clear, everything disappears. It's just a background. Okay, another tips, but you can get an inspiration for color too. If I use the palette and use, for example, a pick to pick color, I can recreate this nice gradient. Okay, I can use it to have some color too. In, for example, in the three color. Yeah. Several. You can have a lot of try if you're struggling into selecting the right color. Just remember to pick and so on. And now you can use that to create your gradient, for example, and start painting your gradient, start painting your art. The background can be toggle. Okay, there is an on-off with a short key, Control B. Nice tip to get inspiration and to start drawing on top of a picture and pick some reference color. Enjoy! Bye bye!